Hi guys, today we are going to draw a realistic water drop. So to start with, first we will be selecting a water drop color. First step, we will be drawing a shape of a water drop. Fill that. Then next is erase the center part of this with the help of soft brush. Do not erase the edges of it. Let the edges be as it is. Then next is choose a white color, then draw an oval shape here. Fill that. Again with the help of an eraser, erase the part of it like this, and then blur it little bit so edges do not look so sharp. Next is, with the help of a brush, we will be drawing an shadow. So this is our base water drop is ready. Now we are creating a shadow part. Our shadow is ready. Remember to draw your shadow in a different layer, as we are going to decrease the opacity of that shadow, and then we will be making it blur little bit. Okay, then next step is, with the help of your soft brush, erase the inner part of the shadow. Like this. And this is our water drop is ready. To give it more realistic effect, what we will do is, with the help of a brush, we can give some shiny effect here. I think this oval shape if we make it okay, so for this oval shape, what I'll do is, I'll create little darker version than the whiter one, as later on I want to give a shiny effect over there. So what I'll do is, I'll draw an oval here. I'll fill this. Then we will blur it little bit. With the help of an eraser, we will be erasing inner part of Moidu. Now to give it a more realistic effect, as I said earlier, that's okay. Yeah. Okay. Is it looking realistic? We can think if we reduce the opacity of a roll shape, that will look more realistic. And our water drop is ready. Right? Let me create one more. Hey, don't make noise.
हमारी कार होती ठीक है मम्मा
ना अभी लास्ट टच है
अभी ठीक है अभी
No, it's not done yet.
ठीक है done mom
Then next is to create a shadow. That's my kid in the background. He is waiting for the iPad.
તમે લેડ વાળો પેંગ્વિન મારા માટે બનાવ છો
हाँ बनावीस. He want to draw an penguin.
क्या હું પેંગ્વિન ડ્રો કરું
Yeah, you can draw, but once I finish.
તમે પરફેક્ટ ડ્રોઈંગ નહીં કરતા
Oh. Now remember to draw shadow in a different layer always.
મને ડ્રો કરવી છે
Now make it a Gaussian blur and with the help of an eraser erase the inner part of the shadow. Okay. And the last is our water drops are ready. Hope you guys like the video. If yes, do not forget to subscribe and share. Thank you so much.